Wait, stop, sir, please stop. Wait, stop, please stop. Wait, stop, sir, stop, please. Wait, please stop.
No, I did not. You did that. So when your colonel gets here, then I will step out. I have my child with me. I'm not getting out. You have a supervisor, okay?
I am the
so when
supervisor
your supervisor gets here, then I will step out of the car. Call someone else to come here. There is someone else.
Not right now.
There is someone else. Let me call 911. Get your phone.
Wait, please, sir, stop. Wait, stop, Mom, chill out, Mom. Wait, stop, sir, please stop. Wait, stop, please stop. Wait, stop, sir, stop, please. Wait, please, stop. No, stop, please, I'm scared, stop. Wait, stop, please. Wait, please, stop, sir. Wait, stop, please. Wait, please, stop. Wait, stop, please. Okay, wait, I can get out, please, it's so traffic.
Today, I am exposing the true reason why this driver was actually dragged out of her car and arrested. Because, social media completely hid the truth. But, the full body cam footage reveals exactly what happened before the handcuffs came out. Because the BLM was using this as another racial profiling. Let's watch this.
Hi there. I'm Corporal Morgan with the Hearst Police Department. Reason why you're getting stopped, you were just driving through a school zone going 40. It's a 25 through there. Do you have your driver's license proof of insurance with you today? Where y'all heading to this afternoon?
Home.
Coming from?
Why?
Just a
That's
question.
none of your business.
I'm sorry?
It's none of your business.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It is.
Okay. Do you have your insurance?
I'm showing you that.
As you can see, the policeman was very courteous. He's being nice.
Any reason for the hurry this afternoon?
I wasn't in a hurry. I didn't even see a school.
Oh, there's a
zone.
flashing signal as you were driving through, directly on the side of the roadway. Can I see your phone? That's good till March. Let me go check on your license. I'll be right back with you. I'll just stay in the car for me. Okay, Tanisha, you'll be receiving a citation today for the speed. I just need to get a signature from you. This is not an admission of guilt.
I'm not
It's a
signing
promise.
that.
You're not going to sign it?
No, I'm not.
That's fine. I'll just put refuse. I need to get the VIN number on the car real quick. I'll enter that. I'll print you your copy and send you on your way.
I think you can always contest that before the court. Why being so rude?
Where's your registration sticker on the car?
I just bought this car, so I'm waiting for it.
Okay.
Any more questions?
I'm just asking.
Okay. I told you.
Do you have your bill of sale with the car then?
No, I don't.
Okay, you should probably carry that with you if you're not going to display your registration sticker.
Well, I wasn't told that, so you might need to get updated on the laws.
All right, give me just a second. All right, here's your copy of the citation. As far as the bills, you don't want to take it? Well, it's going to take it because it's your citation. That's your citation. That's littering. Step out of the car.
Oh, that's your mistake, woman. That's your mistake.
Citation. That's littering.
You're being
Step out
so
of the car.
rude.
Don't
Yes,
do
ma'am.
that.
Wow.
Yes, ma'am.
My
Step
car.
out.
I'm not
He
stepping
can do
out.
that.
Look, I'm not.
1663.
Yes.
Step out.
I'm not.
Step out. Step out.
Don't touch
Step
me.
out.
Don't touch me.
Stepping out.
I'm not stepping
Step
out of
out.
shit. Call
Step
your
out.
motherfucking supervisor.
I am the supervisor.
You're not the supervisor.
Yes, I am.
Call your
I am the
supervisor.
corporal.
A
Step
supervisor.
out.
I'm not
Step
stepping
out.
out of nothing. Get
That's
your
a corporal.
hand off me. Get your
He's a
hand off
supervisor.
me. Get your hand off me. I will step
Step
out
out.
on the supervisor.
I
I'm
am
not
the
stepping
supervisor.
out of nothing.
Ma'am.
Get your hand off
Tanisha.
me. Get your hand
I'm not
off
letting
me.
go.
You littered. You
I
dropped
am
the
not.
ticket, not
I
me.
put the ticket
no,
in the car
you dropped the
because
ticket,
that's your
not
copy.
me. You dropped the ticket, not me. Get your
Ah.
hands off me.
Oh,
Take
come
the
on.
ticket
You're
and
touching
go.
me. Give me the ticket.
There's
you're
a body
touching me
cam.
forcibly. You're holding me too
Because
tight, and you're being out of line.
you are resisting.
You are the one who's being out of line.
No, you stop.
Stop.
Why are you holding my arm like
Because
this?
I gave you the
Why?
ticket,
No, you
then
did
you
not.
proceeded
You
to throw
dropped
it-
the ticket.
I
not
put it
me.
in your car,
I told you I did
and you
not want it.
proceeded to throw it out of the
dropped
car.
You dropped it. You're doing too much. I'm not afraid of you. Get
That's
your hand
fine,
off of
but
me.
I've asked you
You're
to step
holding
out of
me
the car.
forcibly for no reason.
Because you need to step
Get
out
your
of the
fucking
car.
hands
He
off
had
Step
a
me.
out of
reason.
the car.
No, what am I stepping out of the car
Is there there anything I can do to get you to comply?
Look, Mom, he just said
To
take the ticket.
comply.
You threw the car out of the car.
No, I did not. You did that.
He said
You
take
threw
the
the
ticket
ticket
out.
at me.
I gave it to you so you
threw
could
the
leave,
ticket at
and then
me.
you grabbed it
Okay,
and threw it out.
give me the
It's on
ticket.
your phone
Give
video.
me the ticket.
It's no,
Give me the
we're
ticket.
past that.
Okay.
You're under arrest. Step
For
out of the
what?
car, literally.
Arrest that woman. Arrest
Step
her.
out of the car.
No, I'm not.
You are under arrest.
No, when the
Yes, ma'am.
When your colonel gets
No,
here,
we are
then
beyond
I will
that.
step out.
Step
I'm not
out.
getting out of the car. I'm
Step
with my,
out.
I'm with my child, and I'm not
I
doing
understand
that.
you're with
Call
your
father
child.
right now.
Step out of the car.
I'm not.
Step
I'm
out of
not.
the
I'll
car.
step out when
Woman, you should set an example to your son. Instead, you're showing him how to disobey the law.
another officer gets here. I'm not
Step
stepping
out.
I don't trust you. You're holding me too strong. And
Because
I don't trust you.
I don't trust
you. Don't
you to
have
not
to hold
leave.
me like I'm not going anywhere. Where am I going to
I
go?
will stop holding
I'm
you
not
if you
gonna
step
go
out of the
anywhere.
car.
I'm not stepping out of the car.
You need to
Call
step
your
out of the
colonel
car.
and I will get out of the car.
This is
You're
resisting
holding me.
arrest.
I'm not resisting arrest.
Because you're not
what am I
answering
under
my
arrest
order.
for? What am
Littering.
I under arrest for? I didn't litter.
You
did
threw the
that.
ticket out
no,
the
I did not.
window.
You did that. You did that. It's all on camera.
You're
so
correct.
when your colonel gets here, then I will step out. I have my child with me.
I am the
I'm not
corporal.
getting out of the you have a supervisor, okay?
I am the supervisor
so when
on duty.
your supervisor gets here,
He
then
is
I
not-
will
I
step
am the
out of
highest
car.
ranking
Call
supervisor.
someone else
I don't
to
have
come
anyone
here.
You're
else.
going to
There is
jail,
someone
woman.
else.
You're
Not
going
right
to
now.
jail.
There is someone
You need
else.
to
Let me
step out of
call
the car.
911.
Stop.
Step out of
Get
the
your
dark.
phone.
That
Get
car.
out.
Wait, stop, nonchalant.
Get
Mom,
out.
Wait, stop, sir, please stop.
Stop.
Wait,
Get out.
Stop, please stop.
Stop.
Wait, stop.
Get out, man.
Please stop.
There
Stop.
it is.
Stop.
You are being arrested.
Please stop.
Roll over.
Got what you
Roll
deserve.
over.
You
Roll
deserve
over.
that.
Roll over.
Roll over.
Roll over.
You deserve that.
Pull your hand
She
up.
literally asked for that. She asked for that.
All you had to do is take the ticket and leave.
Right. Right.
She's in custody.
Get my phone.
Yeah.
You know, maybe she's waiting for the payout, or a paycheck. She gonna sue, but I don't think she gonna win.
Yeah. I'm gonna lean you this way. And step up. And feet, knees. There we go. Go into this car back here.
And now you're going to jail.
Face the number 11. Right there. Spread your feet for me. No guns, drugs, knives on you, right? No guns, drugs, or knives on you. Yes or no?
Do it look like I got any guns, drugs, or knives on me?
I don't know. That's why I asked you. It's a yes or no question. Okay, he's in the back of my hand.
Get my phone.
Get in there.
Right there.
Get out!
Please. Wait, please stop. Please stop.
Proud of your child. Proud of your son.
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Lower to the left. Pull your hand up. All you had to do is take the ticket and leave.
Yes.
13, one female's detained.
She's in custody.
She's the one who escalated.
Get my phone.
All right, get her set up and have her sit up against the bumper of the car. This way. Step up. My feet, please. There we go. Go into this car back here. Right there. Spread your feet for me. No guns, drugs, knives on you, right? No guns, drugs, or knives on you. Yes or no?
Do it look like I got any guns, drugs, or knives on me?
He doesn't know, that's why he's asking you.
That's why I asked you. It's a yes or no question. Okay, he's in the back of my hand.
Get my phone.
Get in there.
Now you're going to jail. You're going to jail. she absolutely deserved to be arrested. And honestly, I am glad Hearst Police Department posted this entire unedited video, because the narrative that certain activist groups and BLM circles began spreading was that she was just another victim who was racially profiled during a routine stop. But when you look at the raw footage, that narrative completely falls. It completely falls apart under constitutional law. Under the Fourth Amendment, the officer had perfect legal authority to initiate this traffic stop. Because she was caught going 40 in a 25 school zone. The real story here is a textbook case of a driver acting incredibly disrespectful and entirely non-cooperative. From the very first second, she was combative, telling the officer his questions were not of his business. While the First Amendment protects your right to verbally disagree with the police officer, it does not give you the free pass to disrupt a lawful investigation or violate state traffic codes. The officer remained completely professional, right? Wrote the ticket and trying to hand it over, but instead of just taking her citation, she should just take the citation ticket and moving on with her day. She threw it, she threw it out of the car, which constitute littering. When the officer ordered her out of the vehicle, she openly defied a lawful order. You do not have a Fifth Amendment right to refuse to step out of the car during a traffic stop. Police officers are legally permitted to order drivers out for safety under Supreme Court precedents. By refusing to step out and repeatedly screaming for a supervisor when the officer was the supervisor, she escalated a simple citation into a physical confrontation. This wasn't racial profiling. Nah, it wasn't racial profiling. This was a driver who thought the rules didn't apply to her. Actively resisted arrest and then tried to weaponize a selectively edited clip online. If she felt her right were being violated, the Fourth Amendment provides due process to fight it in the courtroom later. She always have the opportunity to contest that before the court. Instead, her entitlement turned into a routine speeding ticket into a criminal record because the full body cam exposed the lie. It exposed the lie. But what are your thoughts about this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.